Hey everybody, Cabby here.
Nico here.
Here to play another round of Ratchet and Clank. This looks like both visually and physically the best game Ratchet and Clank wise I've ever played. I'm hoping they do this with Jak and Daxter.
Are they getting another game?
I don't think so, but then again, if this movie does real well and they're doing the Sly Cooper movie next year, they might do it with Jak and Daxter as well. Let's test out this gun.
What are those? Are those explosives?
Those are explosive crates.
Oh crap. Whoa, look at all those
That's a lot of bolts.
Yeah, get in there and get them.
Grab that money.
It's our job to take you out.
Okay. Enough playing with the gun. Something's shooting at me and I need to get to it.
Oh.
Oh, that works.
Yep.
Yeah, baby! Let's try the glove out. Wow. That just went right over.
Walking out of here. He's down. Hello? Is it safe to come out?
Not yet, boy.
Oh yes, it is.
Thank you. Thank you. I thought we were done for sure.
We are happy to be of assistance. Why is Drek trying to kill you?
It's my nephew, Skidd McMarx.
Wait, Skidd McMarx, the pro hoverboarder?
He sent me this infobot from Iridia, and the Blarg have been after me ever since. Here, take a look.
Another info bot.
Hey, Uncle Blackwash! Skidd McMarx here. You know, your nephew. My agent and I are at the awesome grand opening of the McMarx Sports Shack here on Iridia, and boy, is this been a trip. I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. Fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Blarg. I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a
He's
second.
not that great, is he?
Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus. I don't think I was supposed to have this.
Stop him! He's got the schematic!
Help! Someone! Call my agent! Call my publicist! Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me! I don't want to die!
That's funny.
Sounds like Skidd McMarx is in trouble. We gotta...
Okay.
Search the caves for hidden treasure.
What's the second one say? Find someone to help.
Get to Iridia.
Agreed.
So now I
we
gotta
must
search
first
the caves
repair
for
our
hidden
ship.
treasure.
Oh, you did
If I
it!
can find
Thanks
any
for saving the
caves.
sector, friend. Now come on back and we'll see about fixing that ship.
Guess this is what they mean by search the caves.
Citizens, your mayor is safe and sound. I will
Where were the
rescue
caves
my
at?
furry hero and his robot friend. I will now resume.
I think you're supposed to get on that platform.
I think search the caves was an extra mission.
Yeah, it's optional.
They have a nice payoff though.
And so, Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their ship with the help of the plumber. Little did they know they would soon come so close to greatness, they'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine. Killjoy.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. Now promise me you'll get that infobot to Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
Did he just break the fourth wall?
Yeah, he did. Well, it looks like this is gonna be like Deadpool as well. Good pick.
Dead Space and Deadpool combined.
Yeah. The quality of Dead Space and the humor of Deadpool. Fill my health and ammo completely. And let's go off. See what else there is to do.
Ratchet and Clank were delighted to discover that their newly repaired ship now had
I'm
an...
guessing that's the next place I need to go to. Oh, that's where I'm at. I'm here already.
Yeah, you.
So where else am I supposed to go?
You need to go
Which planet should we
here.
go to? Skid's agent
Here?
is still lost somewhere on Iridia.
Yeah,
Already, okay.
that's cool how you can travel to any map you
Yeah.
want. So is
Go-
this like a free roam game?
It is. You can travel back to any world you've previously been to do any hidden missions, side missions, anything like that.
Huh.
Or just to rack up some money and some kills. So I think it's amazing.
That looks so good.
I know.
And what do you know?
Wait, is that Skid McMarx up ahead?
Oh, someone help me! Oh man, am I happy you two dudes showed. I've been out here all night.
I can't believe it, Skid McMarx. I have seen every one of your races. You pulled off a triple Nova spin at Mach 2 at last year's Kerwin Cup.
It's always good to meet a fan, little dude.
I am Clank. This is Ratchet. Your uncle received your infobot and asked us to assist you.
Oh, I was wondering if you got that. My agent and I have been running from those blarg all night. Only we ended up getting separated in the chaos, and I took a gnarly fall getting out of the Skid McMarx Sport Shack. Hey, think you dudes can clear out the sand shark so I can get to my ship? Give me my hoverboard if you do.
Oh, that looks so
A
cool.
real McMarx 4000? Consider it done.
Sand sharks? Whoa.
Sand sharks, bro.
That wasn't too hard.
Sand sharks left. Oh, don't worry, there's only 84 sand sharks left.
Oh god.
Got skill, little dude.
Those things are creepy.
Oh yeah, they're creepy, but they die real easy.
Yeah.
I wish I could have a flamethrower there. I could just kill them with fire.
Dead Space, we need your flamethrower.
Watch them all explode! They're just going everywhere. This is too easy. Okay.
Those grenades are missing.
Ow.
Whoa, that was awesome! Looks like there are a few sand sharks up there on the plateau. Think you can take care of them?
This is pretty easy. Oh, I got another stone. Sweet.
Nice.
So I just gotta go through all these areas and finish off these sand sharks.
I guess so. Seems easy enough.
Oh yeah. There's a lot of them. Is this cheating? I feel like this is cheating.
I mean, they're going back up underground.
Yeah, but not for that long.
You have no more ammo left.
Not in that gun.
None either.
None? At all?
None
Oh,
at
God.
all.
Okay. Oh, I got another stone. I wonder how you get them.
I think they're randomly dropped by enemies.
Or sitting in quarters
But you-
somewhere.
My guess,
I
I'm
believe
not
there
too
are a
sure if
few
this
sand
is
sharks left.
true. This is my guess. I'm thinking that, those stones show up when you kill enemies, but if you find them in the ground, like I did when I first got to the other planet, you find more.
Huh. Now I just topped off my ammo and my health. So back to the grenades. I
Alright.
want to see this thing upgraded.
Oh, did you just throw that?
Yeah, I just threw my wrench.
How did you do that?
I, see if I remember how.
Future consumer.
You use the attack button and... Oh, wait. I have to
Enthusiasm.
remember it
You
now.
are now trespassing in a restricted area. Please vacate the construction site.
Oh, you hold the scope button, then you hit the attack trigger, or the attack button.
Alright.
So you hold the aim and then you hit square.
Alright.
No, you're not dead. What the heck?
Throw another.
You're a tough little bugger. So
There we
close to
go.
upgrading.
The grenades.
Yeah. I'm
Sand
ready.
sharks.
Hi there. I got a couple of you. I'm going back for ammo. Sword right there. It doesn't cost that much to refill. I'm doing it. That's what I love about this game. If you're close to the spawn point, you can just refill your ammo, keep upgrading your weapon.
Yeah.
More sunshine. They're dead.
Oh, reinforcements.
Nice.
See what this puppy can do now.
That's the last
Wow.
one.
It's a lot more powerful.
That was impressive.
Yeah.
Huh. That is actually pretty cool.
Why doesn't it just say how many sand sharks are left?
I might have killed them all.
Head back to the guy.
Either that or I'm in the wrong area.
Maybe.
Let's hear. I don't know where he is. I jumped a cliff.
Future consumer. We thank
Well,
you for
you
your
were
interest
right
in the Skidd
close to your-
McMarx
Okay, I think I'm in the wrong
However,
area.
your refusal to leave has forced us to activate the Constructobots. Have a nice day.
Okay. Where's my ship?
Right over there.
I think I went the entirely wrong direction. There's my ship. Where's Skidzy at?
You should be to your right.
Right down.
Wait, come back! There's still some sand
Oh,
sharks out here.
yeah, I left the area. That's what happened.
Enemy down.
They are very dumb. I'll give them that.
You're doing great, kids. Just give more of that. Hey, are you dudes like hungry? Because when this is over, I can go for some food. Cheeseburger or some space pizza. I think Quark's Grub Grab still delivers this late.
This is way too easy.
Yeah.
There's 19 of them left.
Try throwing a grenade right there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That looks like a hidden path.
Take care of them.
Yep.
Yep, it is. Let's see if there's anything else here first. Good thing we caught that. What's all?
Whoa,
Ooh,
what's
a gold
that?
bolt. I have no idea what those are for.
Here, Ratchet finds his very first gold bolt. Let's savor the moment.
I don't even know what they
Okay,
do.
enough said.
Unlock
Moving on.
extras.
Oh, bonus
Go to the
costume.
pause menu.
Extras. Image gallery.
Up here to settings and cheats. Oh. Game
speed. Infinite ammo.
and invincibility.
Okay, I'm gonna
So-
keep an eye out for those bolts.
So, the more you collect, which is 28 in total, the more stuff you get.
Yeah.
So is there nothing unlocked for image or appearance?
No, nothing yet. Oh wait. Oh no. This is different outfits we can wear once we get more golden bolts.
Alright.
Images. I'm guessing that's a photo gallery.
Ratchet and Clank 2002.
Yeah, that's the original series. Okay.
I can only imagine the pictures in that gallery.
Just imagine this, just less fuzzy. It's. But yeah, it looks like I'm probably gonna leave this episode here.
Yeah.
So, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button, and why not subscribe as well? And if you really want to check out some other stuff, check out Miko's channel, Miko Gaming. As always, we'll see you in the next video.
See ya.